Understanding virtual health visits. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an increasingly popular concept in healthcare: virtual health visits. Whether you're consulting a doctor from the comfort of your home or seeking medical advice through your smartphone, virtual health visits are transforming the way we access healthcare services. Let's explore what this means and how it's making a difference. Virtual health visits refer to the process of consulting with healthcare professionals via digital platforms, without the need for physical presence in a doctor's office. This can be done through video calls, phone calls, or messaging on healthcare apps. The key here is the use of technology to bridge the distance between patients and healthcare providers. Virtual health visits work by connecting patients with healthcare providers over the internet. Patients can schedule an appointment online, fill out necessary health information through secure platforms, and then meet their doctor virtually at the appointed time. Technology plays a crucial role, as it ensures the consultation is private and secure, just like an in-person visit. There are several benefits to virtual health visits. Convenience. Patients can consult with doctors from anywhere, eliminating travel time and waiting rooms. Accessibility. It makes healthcare more accessible, especially for people in remote or underserved areas. Efficiency. It can lead to quicker consultations and faster prescriptions, saving time for both patients and doctors. While virtual health visits offer many advantages, there are considerations to keep in mind. Technology requirements. Patients need access to a stable internet connection and a device capable of video calls. Limitations on physical exams. Some conditions may still require an in-person visit for a thorough examination. Privacy and security. Ensuring the security of personal health information is critical. Virtual health visits are revolutionizing the way we think about and access healthcare, offering a blend of convenience, efficiency, and accessibility. As technology continues to advance, we can expect these virtual consultations to become even more integrated into our daily lives. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept and benefits of virtual health visits. Stay healthy, and see you in our next video.